Common Assessment Number 2. Number 1. The Louisiana Purchase added land to the United States that was A. East of the Mississippi River, B. North of Lake Michigan, C. North of the Columbia River, D. West of the Mississippi River. Use the story to answer question 2. Sandy's parents live near a very busy road. The city government decided to expand the road to a highway. They will need to take Sandy's parents' land. 2. What gives the city government the right to take the land? F. Articles of Confederation, G. Bill of Rights, H. Eminent Domain, J. Louisiana Purchase. Number 3. Which branch of government contains 9 Supreme Court justices? A. Legislative branch, B. Executive branch, C. Judicial branch, or D. Mabel branch. Number 4. Which is not an effect or result of the Louisiana Purchase? F. The U.S. doubled in size, G. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence, H. American Indians were pushed off their land, J. U.S. gained a new port. Number 5. The 2 houses of Congress are the House of Representatives and the blank. A. Legislative, B. Senate, C. Capitol, D. Constitution. Number 6. Napoleon surprised President Jefferson by F. Fighting a war with Great Britain, G. Selling the Louisiana Territory, H. Closing the port of New Orleans, J. Exploring the Louisiana Territory. Number 7. The executive branch includes A. Congress, B. The courts, C. The President, or D. The Constitution. Number 8. Who did Thomas Jefferson hire to explore the Louisiana Purchase? F. Napoleon, G. George Washington, H. Franklin and Revere, J. Lewis and Clark. Number 9. The part of the Constitution that explains the basic freedoms of Americans is A. The Articles of Confederation, B. The federal system, C. The Bill of Rights, or D. The executive branch. Number 10. When he held national office, President Obama had the power to F. Veto, G. Judge fairness of laws, H. Write the laws, or J. Fly Air Force One. The text below is of the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Number 11. Why was the Second Amendment placed in the Constitution? A. To provide people a way to have free speech, B. To explain that the government cannot interfere in personal matters, C. To give people the right to own and use weapons, or D. To protect people from being forced to use guns. Number 12. Why does the U.S. Constitution contain a system of checks and balances? F. The writers of the Constitution wanted to give states more powers. G. The writers of the Constitution did not want a government with unlimited power. H. The writers of the Constitution did not want basic freedoms to be ignored. Or J. The writers of the Constitution wanted to expand the democratic process. Number 13. What document was created that formed a weak government? A. Manifest Destiny, B. Articles of Confederation, C. The Bill of Rights, or D. Treaty of Paris? Number 14. How did Shays' Rebellion demonstrate a problem with the Articles of Confederation? F. It showed that Native Americans were being treated unfairly. G. It showed that the federal government should not be allowed to collect taxes. H. It showed that the federal government could not maintain law and order. Or J. It showed that transportation in the United States needed to be improved. Number 15. The executive branch does which of the following? A. Make laws. B. Makes sure laws are constitutional. C. Enforce laws. Or D. Rewrites laws. Number 16. How is the Bill of Rights important to the U.S. Constitution? F. It sets the powers of the three government branches. G. It allows for the creation of two parties. H. It limits states' rights. Or J. It guarantees individuals' rights. 17. Sarah's older brother was recently in a car accident because another teenager was texting while driving. Sarah thinks that there should be a national law against texting while driving. Who should Sarah contact to tell them about her idea for a new law? A. The Vice President. B. The President. C. Her Congress member. Or D. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Number 18. What is manifest destiny? F. The U.S. was destined to establish a government. G. The idea that the land from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean was supposed to belong to the USA. H. The idea that the land from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean belonged to the Native Americans. Or J. Many people were destined to find gold in the United States. Number 19. What caused the War of 1812? A. Great Britain and France wanted to take over the USA. B. Great Britain wanted to reclaim the USA. C. Great Britain was closing the ports of the USA. Or D. The Native Americans were angry with Americans. Number 20. Which of the following are positive outcomes of the War of 1812? F. USA became known as a world power, Uncle Sam, and the Star-Spangled Banner. G. Gold, God, and Glory. H. The USA gained all the land west of the Mississippi River, Uncle Sam, and the Star-Spangled Banner. J. Canada became a friend of the USA, sailors became prisoners of British ships, and Uncle Sam. I apologize, sorry about that. Read the following scenario and use it to answer question 21. While driving home from work, Michael is pulled over for not wearing a seatbelt. The policeman orders Michael to get out of the car. He then starts searching the trunk where he finds illegal fireworks. Michael is arrested for possession of illegal fireworks. 21. On what grounds can Michael argue that he was treated unfairly? A. Freedom from searches without a warrant. B. Freedom from double jeopardy. C. Freedom from cruel or unusual punishment. Or D. Freedom from excessive bails or fines. 22. Which of the following is a purpose of the government according to the preamble of the Constitution? F. Defend the country against those who speak against its beliefs. G. Promote the general welfare of citizens. H. Keep the branches of government separate but equal. Or J. Form a powerful government. 23. When President Obama held national office, he was a member of the A. Bureaucracy, B. Legislative branch, C. Air Force, or D. Executive branch.